Hello everyone, welcome all of you to the Independence Day celebration at St. Sebastian School. Today is a very special and proud day for all of us as we celebrate our 80th Independence Day with great joy, enthusiasm, and patriotic spirit. Our day begins with the morning assembly where all the children gather together. The assembly includes inspiring speeches by our teachers and wonderful performance by our students, all dedicated to our beloved nation. Our auditorium is beautifully decorated by our senior students under the guidance and supervision of our teachers. And now, our Montessori and primary section come together to witness a beautiful celebration prepared especially for this special occasion.
On this proud occasion of our 80th Independence Day.
The teachers share their thoughts about Independence Day and remind our children about the importance of freedom, unity, and love for our country. And then the celebration begins. The first half of the program is dedicated to our Montessori section, our little stars. The program begins with a beautiful dance performance by one of our talented teachers. Wow, what an energetic and wonderful performance. And now it's time for our little performers. Our nursery children come forward dressed beautifully in the tricolors of our national flag. They might be tiny, but their confidence, courage, and enthusiasm are truly amazing.
अब जो भी हो बादल बनके पर्वत पर है छाना कंधों से मिलते हैं कंधे कदमों से कदम मिलते हैं हम चलते हैं जब ऐसे तो दिल दुश्मन के हिलते हैं
Happy Independence Day!
दीवारे नीले आसमाने के तले
Our Montessori children are truly little gems. Each one of them performs beautifully. Our main motive is to develop a sense of patriotism from a very young age and teach our children that when we stand together, we become stronger. It is wonderful to see the children supporting and appreciating one another. Now comes one of the most exciting parts. Look at our little children dressed up as our great freedom fighters and national heroes. Mahatma Gandhi, Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose, Ishwar Chandra Vidyasagar, Raja Ram Mohan Roy, Rani Lakshmi Bai, and our adorable little Bharat Mata. And now here come our national symbols. Wow, they are looking absolutely adorable and confident. What a wonderful and meaningful presentation by our Montessori children. Watching these little ones celebrate our national festival is such a heartwarming experience. Through their performance, they are learning value of togetherness, teamwork, discipline, and unity. And now it's time for our primary section.
जश्न है भारत रग रग में है जीत की आदत ऐसा हुनर दुश्मन भी सलामी दे नाम सुफलाम मलयज शीतलाम सस्य श्यामलाम वंदे मातरम तिरंगा हर घर तिरंगा घर घर तिरंगा हर घर तिरंगा
Wow, their energy, confidence, and performance are truly mind blowing. Here come our little Dulhans from class 2.
लंदन देखा, पेरिस देखा, लंदन देखा, पेरिस देखा और देखा जापान। माइकल देखा, एल्विस देखा, सब देखा मेरी जान।
एक दुल्हन, ये दुनिया एक दुल्हन, दुल्हन के माथे की बिंदिया। ये मेरा इंडिया, I love my India. ये मेरा इंडिया, I love
Next is class 3 presenting the spirit of our Tiranga, our national flag.
बहती रहे तेरी गंगा ऊंचा हो इतना इतना बुलंद हो तारों को छूमे तिरंगा
And wow, what a wonderful performance! Finally, we have class 4 with the beautiful theme of unity in diversity, different state, different cultures, different traditions, but one nation, one identity and one India.
ये पत्थर है पिघलाना
अब जो भी हो है कंधे कदमों से कदम मिलते हैं हम चलते हैं जब ऐसे तो दिल दुश्मन के हिलते हैं।
सुनो गौर से दुनिया वालों बुरी नजर ना हम पे डालो चाहे जितना जोर लगा लो सबसे आगे होंगे हिंदुस्तान।
With Bharat Mata at the center, this performance beautifully reminds us that our diversity is our strength and that we are united as one nation. And the celebration continues with a drawing competition where our children beautifully express their thought and love for the nation through their artwork. They are given Independence Day theme topic and it is wonderful to see their creativity, imagination and patriotic spirit come alive on paper. We are truly proud of our little children. All of you have done an amazing job. Your confidence, enthusiasm and wonderful performance have made us incredibly happy and proud. And now it's time to take our celebration a step further. The Independence Day celebration now moves on to our senior section, where we are ready to witness more exciting performance, more patriotic spirit, and of course, some amazing talent from our senior students. The presentation by our senior students bring forward a very powerful and meaningful message that women have always played an important role in India's journey toward freedom and in building our nation. Our freedom struggle was not only led by men. From the very beginning, brave women stood shoulder to shoulder with men and contributed immense to the freedom movement. And even today, our daughters are not behind in any field. They are managing their homes, pursuing their dreams, serving the nation, and taking responsibility with same courage, dignity, and dedication.
সাক্ষী পরিমার্থী জল বাতাসে আমি মায়ের স্নেহ ভালোবাসা খুঁজে পাই ভারতবর্ষের এক দেশমাতৃকার সম্মানে 6 বছর বয়সে পরশুরামের ধনুক এক হাতে তুলেছিলাম আমি দ্রৌপদী আমি লোপামুদ্রা আকাশ ছুঁয়েছে নক্ষত্রের মাঝে সমুদ্রের গভীরে দেশের উচ্চতম প্রতিষ্ঠান বিশ্বের আঙিনায় তার নাম উজ্জ্বল
Our senior students have beautifully chosen this sensitive and inspiring topic to remind us that Nari Shakti is an inseparable part of the strength of our nation.
আমার সমস্ত শরীর প্রমাণ বৃষ্টিতে ভিজতে থাকে কালো আকাশ মাথায় নিয়ে
Oh my God, what a mesmerizing performance by senior section. Yes, a woman can do anything. A woman can be as bright as the sun, as gentle and graceful as a river. Yet when the situation demands, she can transform into the powerful form of Ma Durga and Ma Kali, a symbol of courage, strength and justice. She has the power to stand against evil, defeat every obstacle and make good over the evil.
কিন্তু পারিনি নিজেকে শোধরাতে কিন্তু পেরেছি দেশের উচ্চতা
This is the true strength of a woman. This is Nari Shakti. What an outstanding and powerful performance by our senior section. And now our celebration moves toward another powerful and sensitive topic, Operation Sindoor.
तू सारे जहां से प्यारी मेरे भारत की बेटी
Colonel Sophia Qureshi of the Indian Army and Wing Commander Vomika Singh of the Indian Air Force became the faces of the official briefing on Operation Sindoor. They addressed the nation with confidence, dignity and strength. Their presence sent out a powerful message to every girl watching them. A daughter of India can lead. A daughter of India can protect. A daughter of India can serve the nation. And a daughter of India can make the entire country proud.
ऊंची है गलियां है तंग लंबी डगर है पर हिम्मत है संग पाँव पे छाले हैं सांसें बुलंद लड़ने चली हूँ आजादी की जंग बेखौफ आजाद है जीना मुझे बेखौफ आजाद है रहना मुझे बेखौफ आजाद है जीना मुझे बेखौदी की जंग बेखौफ आजाद है जीना मुझे बेखौफ आजाद है रहना मुझे बेखौफ आजाद है जीना मुझे बेखौफ आजाद है रहना मुझे
शक्तिरूपेण संस्थिता या देवी सर्वभूतेषु शान्तिरूपेण संस्थिता
आज से अब से आन मेरी मैं तुमको ना छूने दूंगी जान को चाहे छलनी कर दो मान को ना
Yes, a woman is one of the most purest form of strength, love, courage and compassion. If you want to touch a woman's heart, touch it with pure intention, love and respect. But if you try to harm her, never underestimate her strength, because a woman who is gentle and compassionate can also become fiercely courageous when it comes to protecting herself and what she loves. No one can break her spirit, no one can stop her from standing up for what is right. What a powerful message and what an impactful performance by our students.
दिल थाम के जहाँ देखेगा एक दिन तेरी भी कामयाबियाँ करके दिखा कमाल वो शाबाशियाँ शाबाशियाँ
सुजलां सुफलां मलयजशीतलां सस्यश्यामलां वन्दे मातरम् सुजलां सुफलां मलयजशीतलां सस्यश्यामलां वन्दे मातरम्.
So, this presentation is not just about an operation. It is about courage, it is about sacrifice, it is about Nari Shakti, and it is about a new India where our daughters stand proudly at the forefront. Our senior students have chosen a truly powerful topic, and through this presentation they have reminded us that the strength of India lies not only in its sons but equally in its daughter. A very proud moment to all of us.
And most importantly, to take a show there and you are wonderful. So as long as the program a concept of Draupadi to Draupadi.
And with this, we come to the end of our Independence Day celebration at St. Sebastian School. The celebration concludes with our national anthem where everyone comes together and sing with pride, respect and love for our motherland. From the tiniest little children to our senior most students, every one of them has done an incredible job in their own way. Each performance reflected their confidence, teamwork, creativity, and most importantly, their love and respect for our country. We are truly proud of all our students. They have made this Independence Day celebration so special and memorable. I hope you all have enjoyed watching this beautiful celebration as we have enjoyed being a part of it. Thank you so much for watching the video. Wishing everyone a very happy Independence Day. Jai Hind.